everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Just Garaging It. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. So I was out shopping around at Harbor Freight and they have these toolboxes, the new Series 3 triple bank 72 inch. They're like $1,700, which is not too bad. They're a nice toolbox. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this 42 inch roller, which is a double bank. And then we're going to take this single bank 27 inch roller and we're going to bolt them together. So we're going to end up with a 69 inch toolbox roller cabinet for $1,000, $1,069. Let's put this thing together. We'll get it unboxed and let's see how it does. First of all, we're going to get these things unboxed and we're going to get them off the trailer. I'm gonna have to get them off the skid on the trailer because I got no way of lifting these off. That one's 400 pounds on its own. This one's got to be a couple hundred pounds. So we're gonna get these off the trailer and we're gonna get them side by side and we'll check them out. Okay, we got these two roller chests unloaded. My initial thoughts: quality is definitely better than I expected. Way better than I expected. It's got the nice drawer latches underneath, just like the Snap-on box. Nice smooth rollers. Seems like a fairly sturdy design. That's the 42, and then this is the 27. Same thing, it's got the same locks. All the blacked out badging, that looks awesome. So this is what we're planning on doing. We're gonna bolt those two together. Boom. They're not bolted together. These are just sitting together. I want to go through them real good, check all the drawers, make sure there's no damage on it before I start drilling holes in these things. Because I don't want it to be sitting next to it. I want it to be one big roller cabinet. So this way you have all your big drawers. Still got like your big socket drawer, you got all your stuff over here, and then you still have all kinds of tool storage over here, and you're at an affordable cost. It's only $1,000, which I think for a tool chest of this size, that's a pretty good value. Okay, we're gonna bring these inside and we're gonna bolt these things together. So these are the boxes. We got them all unloaded. They're all strapped down real nice. It was a little difficult getting them off the trailer because the 42 is a bit heavy. But my first initial thoughts on them is the quality. The quality is awesome. It's got the latches underneath, just like the big Snap-on boxes. I have a big Snap-on KRL. It has the same latches, same color, black on black. Drawers are nice and deep. 22. It's not deep like your professional series, like the Maximizers and stuff like that. But for the price, you can't go wrong. Drawers seem pretty sturdy, nice and stout. It's nice to have the big drawer up top. And then each drawer has its own liner. They're already all fitted, nice thick liner. All paint matched emblems. This is a nice quality box and I think this is gonna work out pretty good. Because the other way, if you buy the 72 inch box, you're $1,700 plus tax. This one here, you're $1,000, $1,060 out the door. 69 inches, so it's 69 by 22. Talk about a deal. And I shouldn't even have to really drill too many holes, because these are all set up to have a side cab put on them. So with the side cab you have, looks like you already have some holes right here, which is nice because I was planning on just blowing some holes through this thing and I don't really want to have to drill my brand new toolbox. I'm going to get these drawers pulled out and get these bolted together. I think we're going to have an issue with the wheels down here though. We got the tandem set up. I'm going to have to probably take the wheels off the 27 and just use the ones off of the 42. Because it's probably not going to want to turn so well. But we'll see. Once I get it bolted together, I'll see how good it moves. I might leave those on for extra support. I'd rather keep them on there. Okay, let's get to bolting. So upon more research, I think the US General, might have been thinking a little ahead of their time, because I found this hardware, which fits in this hole. Almost like these things are meant to be bolted together. That's perfect. No holes needed. It even comes with the provided painted matched hardware. That's unreal. Way to go, US General. And by the way, this is not paid. This is not at all a sponsorship. This came out of my own pocket. But hey, US General, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. The easiest way to bolt these together, you need to take the drawers out. And if you're not sure how to do that, if you go on the side of the toolbox, there's these little clips. On the side of the drawer slides, you push up on two sides and then you pull them out. And then the other side, you push down. That one's already out. This one has to come out still. So you push down and then you push it out. See that? Just push down. See, now I can pull this drawer right out, give me easy access. I'm going to do the same with this small drawer. Now I got that drawer out. I like to stack it on the sketchiest pile of cardboard you can find. That gives you all kinds of room. Gives you all kinds of access inside here. Get right to the back so you can get that hardware in. Okay, now we're going to get this handle put on. Comes with this nice sturdy handle. It's nice, everything's painted. Comes with its own Allen key. Make sure you scratch all this up real good. Do this nice one-handed. Oh yeah. This isn't going upside down. And the thing that's nice with this is I can put handle on this side, and I'm going to have another handle for the other side off that 27-inch roll cab. Get that? Torqued. Let's see if we can go. Oh, yeah. Get this one here. It's not going nowhere. Okay, there we go. We got her all bolted together. Nice and sturdy. Also put the handle on this side. I already mounted the handle on the other side. I wasn't sure about those wheels down there, but it moves no problem. You can turn it, maneuver however you need to. Okay, let's get these drawers in and start loading this baby up.